What's up, guys? Chef Dill here. We're gonna be cooking some good old-fashioned dishes.
No, now is not the time. Hey, what's up, guys? It's Professor Choi here, and welcome to another episode of Choi Science Show. We're not doing this today. We're way too busy. Put these on right now. We need to go back in time. We're, negative 11 views. Gotta save the channel. We haven't uploaded in a month. Come on, go. You know what these are? You know what these are, Chef Dill? You know what these are? Tell me what they are. They're lemons. You know what lemons do? They power portals. But this is an ordinary portal. No. This is something that I created. It's much more bigger than that. We need your special sauce, Dill. Where's your sauce? We need the sauce. Give me the sauce. Give me the sauce right now. Come on, you have no time to waste. The portal! When you gotta get to the portal! The world is in danger! Go! Here we go! Chef Dill, where are we? You seem to be in a dimension where knights live in suburban neighborhoods. What's that over there? Hello? My good sir. Get in there. In. Go. In. Here we go!
You're part of something big, and you don't even know it. The hexagonal planes of multiple dimensions are comprised upon the existence of Choi's and Dill's.
No! The portal's gone. Oh! Get him! Now you may be wondering why he's tied up. Well, he tried to back out last moment, and we already signed a contract. But we just noticed that nothing's gonna stop you from running away, and the contract is just a piece of paper, so we had to tie him up.
Deliciousness in the can, dude. That was for the dodos.
Save the Dodos is a proud sponsor of the Iraqi War, Boxer Rebellion, and other controversial conflicts.
He won't eat the sardine as long as we get to cook this fish for him. Isn't that right? Now what is this, Chef Dill?
This is a red trout, as you can see here by the red belly of the trout. It is a very good fish. A very good fish. Didn't work, but my hopes are still up. Sir, I think my fish is broken.
I don't work here.
It says right there on your name tag.
God.
Family one day. These are very hard to catch. You need to use specific bait for them.
Now, Chef Dill, I heard you had a special sauce you wanted to show us. A sauce that can change the times to sand and the sand to time and science in general. So here's a sauce. Is this the famous Chef Dill sauce you've been talking about?
Yeah. I was dabbling in the dark arts when I was making this. Then I accidentally spilled some star power in here. It's very delicate. And then that ended up giving this magical properties. Here comes the airplane. Come on.
And we're back to Chef Dill and Professor Choi's. I don't even know what we're doing.
Look, there's tuna sauce there.
Okay.
There's some more Alfredo sauce there. My hands are full of Alfredo sauce.
This is Breaking Free by Choi and Gabriella. This is Breaking Free by Choi and Gabriella. Soaring, flying, there's not a star in heaven that we can't reach. Never trying, so we're breaking free. Oh, we're breaking free. Can you feel it building? Like a wave, ocean just can't control. Connected by a feeling true in our very souls. Rise until it lifts us up, so everyone can see. We're breaking free, soaring, flying. There's not a star in heaven that we can't reach.
Attack of the clones!
It's been a long day. You've made quite the mess. So yeah, we're gonna review some food. What do we have here today, Chef Dill?
Yeah, we got some emoji gummies. Oh, snap.
We have emoji gummies, fruit flavored gummies, nut free, gluten free, fat free.
Dude, I like my gummies with nut in them.
So do I, my friend. So do I. We got some Trident gum. The flavor is watermelon. We got some 2-month-old Panda Express fortune cookies.
You know your boy's rolling the fortune cookies because he's Asian.
And we got them barbecue sauce from McDonald's. It's not Szechuan sauce, but it's worth a try. Alright, bon appetit, bro.
Yeah.
LMAO, who did this?
Aw, dude, it's the bro fish from PewDiePie.
Hey, how's it going, bros? My name is...
Just to match the tanginess and the spiciness of East Asia, we're gonna open up this fortune cookie, and we're gonna eat.
It's actually not too bad. But the real delicious part comes with the paper of the fortune cookie.
Let's read the fortune first. Good news will come from afar. Panda Express.
I love you.
Shut up. These things never come true.
Unless you eat them. You have to eat them. Many people don't know this, but in old Asian heritage, you have to eat your fortune for it to come true. You need to embrace it by eating it. A lot of people don't know this, but I read a lot of history books. Shout out Miss Yapel.
Someone is speaking well of you. If only that were true.
Chris Choi's pretty cool.
Does work. Wow.
Let's move on to the Trident gum.
Some desserts.
Mm-mm-mm.
Bone apple teeth.
Ah, indeed.
Oh, I thought we were gonna eat together. You already swallowed? Okay. You ever think there's like another dimension where like our counterparts are doing the same thing but with different jobs? No?
Yeah.
I can imagine how funny would it be if we were cops. Pretty funny, right?
Pretty crazy.
Crazy world, man. Big and crazy world.
Big crazy world. Imagine we had to fight like this cancer creature.